Are you actually doing this regularly on your BMW, or are you slowly damaging it without realizing? Why do so many modern BMWs develop problems even with relatively low mileage? Is BMW reliability really getting worse, or are owners unknowingly making the same mistake over and over? Can ignoring one simple habit affect the engine, the electronics, and even the infotainment system? Why do some BMWs easily reach very high mileage, while others develop expensive issues early? Does this apply only to gasoline engines, or also to diesel, hybrid, and electric BMWs? And most importantly, what is the one thing you should be doing consistently to avoid long-term problems? Today we are going to answer all of these questions, because there is one habit that most BMW owners ignore, and it is not something exotic, expensive, or complicated. In fact, it is something BMW engineers assume you are already doing. When this habit is neglected, small issues slowly accumulate, systems stop working as intended, and the car begins to feel unreliable. When it is done correctly, the same car can remain smooth, efficient, and dependable for many years. Modern BMWs are no longer purely mechanical machines. They are complex systems where the engine, transmission, electronics, and software are deeply interconnected. This means that reliability today is no longer determined only by oil quality or mechanical strength, but also by how consistently the car is used, updated, and allowed to operate under the conditions it was designed for. Many owners unknowingly treat modern BMWs the same way cars were treated 20 years ago, and that is where problems begin. The habit most BMW owners ignore is regular, complete operating cycles. In simple terms, many BMWs are driven almost exclusively on short trips, cold starts, and interrupted cycles. The car is started, driven for a few minutes, and then shut off again. This happens day after day, week after week. While the car may seem fine in the short term, this pattern slowly creates problems that do not appear immediately. When a BMW is started cold, many systems enter a protective mode. The engine runs richer, emission systems are not fully active, and software-controlled components wait for specific temperature thresholds. If the car is shut off before reaching full operating temperature, these processes never complete. Over time, moisture accumulates in the engine and exhaust. Oil does not reach optimal viscosity for long enough, and internal components never fully stabilize. This is not a defect. It is a consequence of how modern engines are designed to meet efficiency and emission standards. This habit also affects electronics. Modern BMWs rely on dozens of control units that constantly communicate with each other. These systems perform self-checks, calibrations, and learning processes during normal driving. Short, interrupted trips limit the ability of these systems to complete their routines. Over time, this can lead to delayed responses, warning messages that appear sporadically, or infotainment systems that feel slower than they should. Another area strongly affected by this habit is the battery and electrical system. Modern BMWs place a high demand on the battery, even when the car is not being driven. Background processes, system monitoring, and security features consume energy continuously. Short trips often do not allow the alternator or charging system to fully recover the energy used during startup. Over time, the battery becomes stressed, voltage levels fluctuate, and electronic systems begin to behave unpredictably. Many owners replace batteries repeatedly without addressing the underlying usage pattern that caused the problem in the first place. This issue becomes even more important in BMWs equipped with start-stop systems, mild hybrid systems, or fully electric drivetrains. These vehicles rely on precise energy management. When operating cycles are consistently interrupted, the system cannot balance energy flow correctly. In electric BMWs, frequent short charging sessions combined with limited driving range per session can prevent proper thermal conditioning of the battery. This does not cause immediate failure, but it can accelerate long-term degradation. Software updates are also closely tied to this habit. BMW vehicles often require specific driving conditions to finalize updates, recalibrate sensors, or complete optimization routines. Owners who constantly drive short distances may notice that updates seem to install slowly, features behave inconsistently, or warning messages appear and disappear. The system is not broken. It simply has not been given the conditions it needs to complete its processes. Many drivers interpret these symptoms as declining reliability. In reality, the car is responding exactly as designed to incomplete operating cycles. BMW assumes that the vehicle will regularly be driven long enough to reach full temperature, stabilize internal systems, and complete diagnostic routines. When this assumption is not met, the car cannot operate at its full potential. The solution is surprisingly simple, but it requires consistency. Every BMW should be driven regularly in a way that allows it to fully warm up and operate under stable conditions. This does not mean aggressive driving or high speeds. It means allowing the engine, drivetrain, and electronics to reach their intended operating state and remain there long enough for all systems to complete their cycles. Even one proper drive per week can make a significant difference. During these drives, the engine oil reaches optimal temperature, moisture evaporates, emission systems regenerate correctly, and electronic modules complete learning processes. The battery receives a full charge, voltage stabilizes, and background errors often resolve themselves without any intervention. Over time, the car feels smoother, more responsive, and more predictable. This habit also improves the accuracy of driver assistance systems. Sensors, cameras, and radar units rely on stable operating conditions to maintain calibration. Regular full operating cycles help these systems adapt to real-world conditions, reducing false warnings and unexpected disengagements. Many BMW owners focus heavily on maintenance schedules but overlook usage patterns. Oil changes, inspections, and software updates are important, but they cannot compensate for consistently incomplete driving cycles. A perfectly maintained car that is only driven on short trips will often develop more issues than a properly used car with higher mileage. This is why some BMWs with very high mileage feel better than cars with much lower mileage. The difference is not luck, it is usage. Cars that are regularly driven long enough to operate as designed tend to age more gracefully, both mechanically and electronically. It is also important to understand that this habit does not conflict with careful driving. Allowing the car to warm up naturally, avoiding hard acceleration when cold, and maintaining steady driving once warm all contribute to long-term health. The goal is not stress, but completion. Completing cycles is what modern BMWs need. For owners who primarily drive short distances, awareness is key. Planning occasional longer drives, combining errands, or simply taking the car out intentionally can prevent many future issues. This small adjustment often eliminates warning messages, improves system responsiveness, and extends the life of key components. So, is BMW reliability actually worse today? Not necessarily. BMWs are more complex, more efficient, and more software-driven than ever before. This complexity requires a different relationship between driver and vehicle. Understanding how the car is meant to be used is now part of ownership. The one habit most BMW owners ignore is not a hidden secret. It is simply regular, complete operation. When this habit is respected, modern BMWs can be remarkably durable, refined, and reliable. When it is ignored, even a well-engineered car can feel problematic. The new generation of BMW is not fragile, but it is precise. It rewards drivers who understand how it works and punishes those who treat it like a purely mechanical machine. If you adapt your habits slightly, the car will do exactly what it was designed to do. If you want more videos like this, where we break down real-world BMW problems and explain how to prevent them before they become expensive, let me know.